From Tala to Triumph, Mogadishu rise up, Puntland stand proud, Galmudug echo, we speak it loud. Hear Shabella marching, southwest stride, Jubilant blazing with Somali pride. From the Horn we were born, storm after storm, but still we stand unshaken, transformed. They say we the first to fight the Portuguese, but the Mamluks clashed long before the seas. Don't twist the truth, don't rewrite the page. Somalia's story is strength and rage. Conflicts raged in these ancient lands, tribes and empires, swords in hands. From Ajuran power to Geledi might, we held our ground, we lit the fight. 1920, hear the dervish roar, British brought planes, but still no shame. First airstrike in Africa's skies, against freedom dreams that never die. Somaliland soil, sacred and raw, we fought with spirit, not just with law. Mogadishu rise up, Puntland stand proud, Galmudug echo, we speak it loud. Hear Shabella marching, southwest stride, Jubilant blazing with Somali pride. From the Horn we were born, storm after storm, but still we stand unshaken, transformed. Not just camels and desert trails, we got legacy written in bullet shells. Truth in our tongue, fire in our song, we've been standing tall all along. From the Indian Ocean to Gaulis Peak, Somali blood don't break, it speaks. This ain't no fiction, this ain't no tale, we're the storm they could never quell. So tell the youth, lift the flag high, we come from warriors who'd rather die than bow to lies or colonial chain. We are Somali, remember the name.